Hi students, in previous class we have solved one numerical based on standard deviation. Today we are going to solve another question which is based on standard deviation. Just look question number 2. Following are the run scored by two batsmen A and B in 10 innings. Find out who is better scorer and who is more consistent. A, B, batsman A and batsman D, their score 101, 22, 0, 36, 82, 45, 7, 13, 65, 14. Whereas for B, 97, 12, 40, 96, 30, 8, 85, 8, 56 and 16 respectively they have given. Based on this, by taking this one, we have to solve standard deviation. We have to find out standard deviation. These are all the innings and score which is scored by batsman A. Now first step is to arrange the following score in ascending order. In X, we will arrange the score of batsman A in ascending order. First 0, 7, 13, 14, 22, 36, 45, 65, 82, 101. These are all the score by batsman A in his 10 innings. Total, if you make a sum of this one, you will get sigma x equal 385. Total run score by batsman A. Now D. For calculating D equal x minus x bar. That is arithmetic mean we have to find out. We will find out arithmetic now. Now the formula for arithmetic mean for calculating individual series, that is x bar equal sigma x divided by n. What is sigma x? 385. N, total number of innings 10. If you simplify this one, equal 385 divided by 10, you will get 38.5. Take this 38.5 and subtract with this value. 0 minus 38.5 minus 38.5. 7 minus 38.5 minus 31.5. Same till 10 innings you have to do the same procedure. If you add all this, if you make all this one, you will get minus 25.5 minus 24.5, 22 minus 38.5, 16.5, 45 minus 38.5, 6.5 till 101 minus 38.5, 62.5. By taking this one, you have to calculate D square equal minus 38.5 into minus 38.5. It is 1482.25. If you have calculator, then it is very simple. Just type minus 31.5 into equal. You will square up the value. So here, minus 31.5 into minus 31.5, 992.25. If you do till here, you will get sigma D square equal 10,556.5 as your sigma D square. Now moving further, we know sigma D square. Now we have to apply standard deviation formula. Standard deviation equal square root of sigma D square divided by n. Now that is equal sigma square root of sigma D square divided by n, square root of D square value 10,546.5 divided by n value. Now if you simplify this one, you will get 32.47 as your delta standard deviation. Now moving further, we also have to calculate coefficient of variance. The formula for coefficient of variance is standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean, that is x bar, into 100. That formula we have to apply and we have to simplify the result. Now coefficient of variance, now standard deviation 32.47 divided by x bar value 38.5 into 100. If you simplify this one, you will get coefficient of variance answer as 84.33 as your coefficient of variance. Therefore, when you solve this one, you got answer of Bashman A sigma x 38.5, standard deviation 32.47, coefficient of variance 84.33. Same procedure you have to repeat for Bashman B score. Now I have done same procedure for Bashman B. Innings 10 score by Bashman B, and then write all score in ascending order. Add this one, make a sum of this one, sigma x equal 448. Then find out mean. Is mean equal sigma x divided by n. What is sigma x? 448 divided by n, that is 10. Now equal x bar equal 448 divided by 10. You will get 44.8 as your arithmetic mean or x bar. Take that value, okay, with x you have to subtract x 8 minus 44.8, you will get 36.8. 8 minus 44.8 minus 36.8, same till last, that is 97 minus 44.8, you will get 52.2 as your d. Take this d and square up the value, that is d square. Minus 36.8 into or equal in calculator, or normally minus 36.8 into minus 36.8, you will get 1354.24 as your d square. Same till last you have to do same procedure. You will get sigma d square equal 11,943.6 as your total sigma d square value. Take this value and try to solve standard deviation. The formula for doing standard deviation, that is sigma equal square root of sigma d square divided by n. The value for sigma d square 11,943. Okay, square root of 11,900 divided by 10. You will get standard deviation as 34.55. Now same here also we have to find out coefficient of variance. Coefficient of variance we have to find out. Coefficient of variance equal sigma divided by x bar into 100. The value for sigma is standard deviation 34.55 divided by mean 44.8 into 100. If you simplify this one, you will get coefficient of variance as 77.12 as your coefficient of variance. Okay. Therefore, the Bashman B arithmetic mean is 44.8, standard deviation 34.55, and coefficient of variance is 77.12. Now question arises is, in question they have asked us to find out who is better scorer and who is more consistent. The answer for that one is, therefore batsman B is better scorer than batsman A, because the standard deviation of batsman B is more than batsman A. If you examine the standard deviation of batsman A is 32.4247, whereas the standard deviation of batsman B is 34.55. So batsman B is more better runner, better scorer than batsman A. And another question, who is more consistent? For consistent, you have to look into coefficient of variance. If we examine the coefficient of variance of batsman A is 84.33 and batsman B is 77.12. So batsman B is more consistent than batsman A because the coefficient of variance of batsman B is less than batsman A, because the batsman A coefficient of variance is 84.33 and batsman B coefficient of variance is 77.12. Thank you for watching and Khuda.